Hello friends, this is the jackfruit tree with lots of jackfruit you are seeing. Jackfruit is a tropical fruit. After cutting it looks like this, the flesh and the seeds. This is the flesh pods. Inside it you will find seeds. So all the parts of the jackfruit can be cooked. This is the dried jackfruit pods from India. We cut it into strips and dry it in the sun and then get it. This is how it looks. So it can be cooked into many dishes. This is the raw one. If ripe, it tastes very sweet. Used in the desserts. You can use it as a pulp. So here the jackfruit strips, which is dried, is being washed. And we are going to mash it with some spices and masala. After washing, just add a little water and cook it. This jackfruit is very nutritious. It's got good carbs, fibers, proteins, all types of vitamins, good for blood sugar. And we are just cooking with a little water and salt. So for the masalas, I'm taking some frozen coconut, about 1 cup. To this I'll add some turmeric powder, some garlic, cumin seeds, about 2 tablespoons, and some turmeric powder. Some chili powder, about 1 teaspoon. So we grind this masala with some curry leaves and some bird chilies. It's a very nutritious fruit. The outside is hard and bumpy. Inside got pods with the seed. So here you can see jackfruit is cooking, and we have this grind masala with coconut, and after 70% of cooking we just add this to the jackfruit along with some water and cook it till it gets nicely soft. All the parts of the jackfruit tree are cooked almost. The leaves, the fruit, the seeds. So I'm just adding some pepper powder. You can see now it is mixed and nicely cooked. It has become soft. So we'll mash it now. That is how the dish is. Mashed jackfruit with coconut and turmeric and pepper and salt, cumin seeds, turmeric. So here I'm crushing it with the masher. After crushing it nicely, it is served along with fish curry. So I'm making the fish curry. In a clay pot, I'm taking 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Fish curry is best cooked in clay pots. This is the staple diet in the south of India, in the state of Kerala. People relish it nicely. This is called Chakka in Malayalam language. That is the language for the state of Kerala. It is called Chakka and Meen curry. That is jackfruit mashed and fish curry. It is a staple food in all festive occasions. As the oil gets heated, we season it with mustard seeds. As the mustard seeds gets to crackle, we'll add some curry leaves, some ginger and garlic chopped. It's a very quick fish curry recipe. Some ginger and garlic paste. Saute it nicely to get it fried and cooked. To this we add some turmeric powder, about half a teaspoon. Some pepper powder. Mix it nicely. Let it fry for some time. To this, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Fry it out for a little while. About 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix it all and saute it for a little while. You can see it is nicely mixed now, so we'll add some water. And cook it for a little while to remove all the rawness of it. This is how the quick curry is made. We'll add some more water. There is also a different way of making it, but this is the simplest way. Let it cook for a little while till the oil separates. You can see the oil is separated now. So here I am adding some tamarind. This is called Malabar tamarind with some water. This is usually used in the south of India for souring the fish curries. This is souring agent. This comes in a tree. We just take the fruit and dry it, and this is how it becomes blackish in color. I'm adding some salt for the curry and some more water and allow it to come to a boil. I'll close it and cook it till it comes to a boil. Then I'm adding the fish pieces, washed and cut. And I'll cook the curry till the fish is nicely cooked with all the spices and the curry. So after it is cooked, it is served with the mashed jackfruit and the curry. So this is how we serve it. Hope you liked my video. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy this dish.